just came from work. मेरा काम सुबह 8 से शाम को 4 बजे तक होता है, which is like 8 hours shift. And I just came and it's like 4:30 now. And yeah, it was really hot today. It was so busy. And also, yeah. So for this video, I am going to show you guys my evening routine, which is after work, like 4 to 8. So yeah, let's get started without any further delay. And to all the people out there, this is going to be my first ever video. Please show some love, show some support, and let's get into the video. Okay, so there is this one thing which I'm doing right now is I am trying to grow a coriander plant, which I was successful and unsuccessful as well. It is like mixed because उसमें 2-4 पौधे आए थे and then it rained so heavily कि सब खत्म हो गया. So now what I'm gonna do first is I have to water that. So for that I'm just filling up the glass of water, and yeah. I think इतना बहुत है. I don't know. Let's go. रास्ता है पीछे बैकयार्ड में जाने का, and let's go and let's see कि क्या हालत है मेरे बेचारे प्लांट की. It's the water, and as you can see the plants. Oh, that's not good. Okay, let's just pour some water. Oops, मुझे उसके ऊपर नहीं डालना चाहिए था पानी, but that's okay. I think that's more than enough, right? Yeah. Okay, so now I have to change my clothes, I have to wash, I have to oil my hair first, then I have to wash my hair, and then I have to cook dinner. So there's a lot of things to do. Let's go. So I just came to my room. Now I have to change and I'll oil my hair first. And उसके बाद हम अपना दूसरा काम start करेंगे. I have changed in घर के कपड़े, and now I'm looking for my oil, hair oil, but I'm not able to find it. That's what I'm looking for. I don't know where I left it or where I kept it. I'm not sure. I'm in the kitchen. I don't know why I'm looking for in the kitchen, but anyways, yeah, I can put it anywhere because मेरा nail paint यहाँ पड़ा है. So you never know, right? No luck. Nope. Let's see. Maybe I'll find it somewhere. I finally found it. So this is the oil which I use. It's jojoba oil from Cliganic. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right or wrong. And this is the rosemary essential oil. There you go. I don't know, I don't have so many subscribers, but in case if you're watching this video and you want the link of it, I'll put it on the description. I'll put it in the description, okay? So now I'm gonna mix both of these oils a little bit. I think it's gonna be hard, so I'm just pouring it. I think that would be enough. And a few drops of this. There you go. This oil. Like 3 to 4 drops is enough. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I think मैंने थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही डाल दिया इसमें. That's okay. Now shake, 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 shake. This is a very good thing actually, you know. You know, I always wanted to have a ponytail like this. जब मैं ऐसे सर हिलाऊं तो it ऐसे वो भी घूमनी चाहिए साथ में like this. And I'm so now we have to prepare dinner. Okay, now we are in the kitchen and my phone is not charged at all. Just gonna put this here. So I'm gonna put my phone on charge first and then we'll start preparing the dinner. Today I'm thinking to make tortilla wrap because that's easy to make and I don't want to put a lot of effort in making dinner. Today I don't feel like it, but yeah. Okay, now phone is on charge and now let's grab the stuff. I'm gonna just chop all the veggies. First, let me grab onion. This time we bought white onions. I usually like the pink one, but इस बार जब हम फ्रेश हो गए थे तो कुछ ठीक नहीं लग रहा था, मतलब खराब से थे, right? सारे वेजिस ले लिए हैं, 1 टमेटो, 1 अनियन, वाइट अनियन एंड देन 1 बेल पेपर. और मैंने यहाँ पे एक पनीर लिया है, उसको मैंने छोटे छोटे क्यूब्स में काट लिया लाइक दिस. आई एम जस्ट गोना एयर फ्राई देम ताकि साइड बाय साइड ये काम होता रहे एंड आई कैन डू माई स्टफ लाइक चॉपिंग एंड एवरीथिंग. Transfer all paneer into this. Oh God. Oh. Now let's just wash. Now the main thing. प्याज का टेस्ट जितना अच्छा होता है ना, उसको काटना उतना ही मुश्किल होता है. वाओ. जो जितना पावरफुल होता है उसको तोड़ना उतना मुश्किल होता है. My mom used to chop the onion like tuck 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 in her hand only, but I can't do that and it's so kadwa. It's so kadwa pyaz. Oh my God. Oh, I'm literally crying. My mom used to say कि कट प्याज रहा है, रो तू क्यों रही है. Me, I'm done. Oh, cucumber. Bought this coriander also, which I haven't opened it yet. Let's wash it and I can use this as well. I love coriander in my food. Like, I just love it. Okay. We need something to wash it. Just take this. cilantro should be wasted. This is how it looks like, and it smells so good because of the fresh cilantro I put it on. I can't wait to eat. I can't wait to eat it. So see, and also I feel it कि जब भी हम खाना बनाते हैं and if there is anything green on it, like anything like cilantro and maybe कसूरी मेथी, तो वो खाने का appearance बिल्कुल चेंज कर देते हैं, like next level. अगर उसमें तुम धनिया ना डालो या कसूरी मेथी ना डालो, for me it's like बहुत खाली खाली है, but the moment I put cilantro or whatever kasuri methi, it is so good. For breakfast I eat overnight oats क्योंकि उसमें बनाने में इतनी मेहनत नहीं लगती. So मैं फटाफट से वो भी भिगो देती हूँ ताकि मुझे बाद में याद ना रहे. That's a little bit of pumpkin seeds. I'll put it all. And ये है एक अंजीर. This is garbage now. It's not a good sign. ये है मिक्सचर चिया सीड और फ्लेक्स सीड्स का. एंड नाउ द लास्ट थिंग, दीज आर आलमंड्स. इसको मैंने, आई डोंट नो इफ यू कैन सी दिस और नॉट, इसको मैंने क्रश करके रखा है सो दैट आई डोंट हैव टू वरी अबाउट इट एवरी सिंगल डे, राइट. पुट blueberries into it. Canadian wild blueberries. Perfect. Now I am done with my breakfast. मतलब मैंने कल के लिए प्रिपेयर कर दिया. I don't have to worry about it. मैंने चॉपिंग कर दी है for dinner. And only thing I have to do is I have to assemble all the things in a tortilla. And then we'll wrap it and it's ready to eat. So yeah. And for tomorrow's lunch, मैंने कल दाल बनाई थी. This is the दाल. थोड़ी सी बची है. तो एंड ये है वाइट चावल. Now my lunch is ready, my breakfast is ready, and my dinner is also ready. Let's do some cleaning फटाफट से so that I don't like messed up things. My dinner is ready and मुझे कुछ पीने का मन कर रहा था, so मुझे याद आया कि मेरे पास डाइट कोक पड़ी है, बट वो फ्रिज में नहीं थी. so just
का रिजल्ट आने वाला था, आप चेक किए?
हाँ वही चेक कर रहा हूँ, लोड हो रहा
देखना, आपका पैड पड़ते ही ना।
Hey everyone. So, okay, I just finished my shower and I haven't applied any curly hair products today, but this is how my hair looks like when it's drenched wet. But yeah, so this was all for the vlog and अगर आपको पसंद आया हो so please like, share and subscribe. See you next vlog. Okay, bye bye.